typewriter, and 5¼ floppy disk. Will computers kill secretaries? Welcome to the era of the computer revolution. They say one computer can replace 3 secretaries. Management is buying personal computers. Smart companies are retraining their employees instead of laying them off. Adaptation and training are the keys to survival in an era of change. History repeats itself. Adaptation conquers fear. And now office workers are afraid of AI assistants. Do you remember all our travels? From the gramophone to the computer, one pattern. Subscribe to History Lessons.